Hi, today I'll be doing a comprehensive review of one of the most interesting credit cards in 2025, the IDFC WOW Credit Card. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a homemaker, or just someone who doesn't have a credit history yet, this card gives you a gateway into the world of credit without the usual barriers. Let's go through the features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and see whether it's the right fit for you. The IDFC WOW Credit Card is a unique secured credit card issued by the IDFC First Bank, offered in exchange for a fixed deposit. It is 100% lifetime free, zero joining, zero renewal fees, making it ideal if you're building credit or you want a fee-free card plus excellent perks. Now, this card isn't just your average entry-level credit card. It's a secured credit card, which means it's backed by a fixed deposit, but don't let that throw you off. What makes it stand out is that it combines the benefits of a fixed deposit with a full-fledged credit card, all while being lifetime free. Here's the deal. You pledge a fixed deposit starting from 20,000 rupees for residents or 25,000 rupees for non-residents and get a credit card with 100% of that fixed deposit as your credit limit. No income proof, no credit score that is required, and that's an accessible gateway to credit for students, first-timers, homemakers, or anyone that is establishing a credit history. So what are the main features of this card? Fully secured card with instant credit limits. You don't need a salary slip or a good CIBIL score to get this card. Instead, you open a fixed deposit of at least 20,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees for non-residents, and that amount becomes your credit limit. It's an excellent way to start building or repairing your credit profile. Fixed deposit interest income. Unlike traditional credit cards, the money you use as security isn't just sitting idle. Your fixed deposit continues to earn you interest, typically between 6.75 and 7.25% per annum, depending on the tenure. Reward points on spends. You earn 4 reward points for every 150 rupees spent on most categories. These points don't expire and can be redeemed against travel, shopping, vouchers, or statement credits. 1 reward point equals 0.25 rupees. Welcome benefits. On your very first EMI conversion, which is within 30 days of card issuance, you get a 5% cashback that is capped at 1,000 rupees. It's a decent start and a smart push to encourage EMI usage responsibly. Dining and lifestyle privileges. This card offers up to 20% discount at over 1,500 restaurants and 15% off at over 3,000 wellness and spa outlets, and exclusive partner offers on fashion, electronics, and more. Zero forex markup. It's a huge benefit for travelers that are frequent travelers or online shoppers, because most credit cards charge around 3.5% as a foreign transaction fee, but with this card it is absolutely zero. It's rare and it's highly valuable. There's also insurance coverage that comes with personal accident cover, purchase protection, and lost card liability. Now, what is the pricing of this card? As I earlier mentioned, it costs you nothing to join. It also costs you nothing to renew it annually, so it is free for life. The forex markup fee is also 0 rupees. There are no extra charges on international accounts, although cash advance fees are included. So while the card is technically fee-free, some service charges will still apply for cash advances, reward redemptions, and late payments. You can see, for example, here the cash withdrawal fee is 199 rupees plus GST. So yes, it's a good option. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? Let's start with the pros. Lifetime free. There is no income proof needed. Just a fixed deposit and a KYC, that's it. Credit building tool. It's ideal for those new to credit or looking to rebuild credit scores. It earns interest via fixed deposits. And the zero forex markup is a huge benefit for international spenders. How about the cons? Funds are locked up in fixed deposits. You can't use that money until you close the card or withdraw the fixed deposit. There's limited reward categories and there's high interest on revolvers. If you carry a balance, the APR can go as high as 43.8%. So is this card a good fit? In 2025, when traditional credit cards are hiking their fees, the IDFC First WOW Credit Card brings a refreshing change. It offers a completely fee-free experience with the ability to earn interest on your own money while building credit. However, it's important to remember that your fixed deposit is locked, so this card works best for users who can afford to park a portion of their savings for at least a year. But if you use it responsibly, it's one of the smartest and most accessible credit cards in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore AU Bank Lite Credit Card, ICICI Bank Instant Platinum Card, and One Card Secured Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.